Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we will be doing the fourth and final look of 4 looks and 1 palette using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. So if you want more information about the palette, I will make sure to link the first video below where I tell you the prices and show you swatches of the whole 39 shades. I will be focusing on this corner over here, which is all the greens of the palette, which is how it is that I created this look right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you how it is that I created this look. Alright, so since the makeup is already done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder under the eye to avoid any fallout from running on the face. Okay, so we're gonna get started and I'm gonna use transitional. Okay, so I'm gonna start applying Pine to the outer lid. And then just bringing it about halfway of the lid and blending it out. Then I'm going to take Fickle and start adding that to the inner part of the lid, but I kind of want to stop like right about here and just kind of leave that empty. So now I'm going to go into Exposed and then just deepen out the outer V. Okay, and then I'm going to take So Glam and I'm going to add that very little of it at the beginning of the lid, like just like about here, and then I'm going to add another shimmer after that. My finger. Oh, hello. Okay, so I'm just stopping like right there. I just wanted it at the very beginning of the lid. So all these shimmers seem to apply a lot better with the finger instead of a brush. Even wetting the brush doesn't seem to do much. I think the fingers is the best way to apply any of these shimmers. And then I'm going to take Inspire and then take it all the way up until like right here and stop there. And this one's like a super pretty like foresty green shimmer. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Granite. It's like a, I don't know if this is a shimmer. I think it's more of a like satin. I don't know, but it's not very shimmery. And I'm just gonna add that to the outer lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Exposed and then just kind of add a little more on the crease, but very light. Ah, it was supposed to be light. Goodness. So I'm just taking a plain brush. Oh my gosh, we put too much. So what I was saying is very lightly add this to the crease, but that didn't turn out very well. So that's a very pigmented color, I guess. That's better, I think. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and just blend. Okay, then I'm gonna take Muse, which is a black, and then add that to really close to the lash line and create a liner. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder. Okay, and on the lash line, now I'm gonna take Fickle. Then I'm gonna add So Glam to the inner corner. Then I'm gonna take Inspire and just kind of Then I'm gonna take Granite. And I'm gonna take that Fickle shade again and then just blend everything out. And then I'm gonna take some of that Exposed and then just add it to the outer part. And then just connecting it to the outer corner. And then with the fluffy brush, just wanna brush under it. Alright guys, so my camera died, so I went ahead and did my lashes with the Lash Princess Essence. I put some lip gloss on from Beauty POPSUGAR, this one right here, and this is in the shade Be the Boss. And then I did my liner. I used the Essence Eye Pencil in Espresso. And finally, I added some inner corner highlight and then brow bone highlight, and I used my Super Shock Cheek highlight in Flexitarian. So for this last corner, I used all shades except this one. So I did pretty good on this eye look. I used 7, right? No. Yeah. I used 7 out of the 8 shades of this corner, and I created the look that I have on right now. So I'm pretty happy on how this turned out. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you recreate it so that I can check it out. Other than that, that is it for today. This completes the 4 looks with 1 palette series. If you saw all 4 videos, I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to do another series with other palettes. If you did enjoy it, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. That way I know to make more videos like this. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.